All right, my big heavy duty truck is broken, transmission's being replaced, fun times. So what we're gonna have to do is torture this little baby GMC with this huge, super cool, double pump, massive, check this thing out. "12-volt, 150 PSI pump from VEVOR. This is wild. Okay, first off, look how legit and real this is. Look, you got actual hose that you could connect. Look at how long this hose is. This is all so freaking cool. So I think the first step to really torture this and show you how fast it'll pump up this tire is, let's deflate the tire completely. Like, let's talk 0 PSI. While this deflates, I'm just gonna plug this into the 12-volt battery. Fun times. While we're at it, look how heavy duty this cable is. Can you see how flat this is? We are literally on the ground as in flat. So it comes with a bunch of different adapters and attachments, even including for pumping up a ball. Like, could you imagine using this to pump up your football? Okay, ready? I'm gonna do this real time. Mark, set, go. Another really interesting thing about this is because it has these dual pumps, which you'll see is a very unusual thing, it is absolutely, completely reasonably quiet. Now, obviously, it's not silent, but if you've ever used these things before, they're normally really loud. And one that does 150 PSI and has inflated this car tire so fast. Look at it. How crazy is that? Anyway, normally they are much louder than this. Now, as this is a heavy duty unit, it has no auto shut off. It has no tire pressure sensor program. You're gonna have to check your tire pressure manually. I think we're there. Let me check the pressure. 32 pounds. Perfect. How crazy is that? That is wild. Number one, that I guessed the right poundage to stop. And number two, how fast it pumped up this tire. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. If you want one, there's gonna be a link here on the bottom of the screen. Worst case in the description. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, all those kind of important things. And comment below, what's your favorite truck that you're gonna use this on? All right, hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.